Have you ever wondered why 99%, if not 100% of snowblowers don't even come with air filters on them? You're in a dust-free environment. An air filter on a snowblower is completely pointless. There's snow everywhere, there's no dust. Very similar to an outboard engine on your boat. There's no air filter comes on an outboard engine. There's no dust. You're in the middle of the water somewhere. The other reason that snowblowers don't come with an air filter, because I have heard people say, well, my snowblower didn't come with an air filter. I'm going to put my own air filter on there. I think that's a big mistake, because the other reason is if you are running your snowblower in the proper conditions, a certain condition where your air filter will get wet and then it will freeze. It will completely plug your engine off, and your engine is going to be choking itself out. It's simple as that. That's why they don't come with air filters. So that's the same concept right there as using your ride-on lawnmower tractor with a snowplower on it. You're running it in the same conditions as a snowblower. You don't need to have your air filter on there. If your engine is running bad, it sounds like it's choking out, don't be afraid to pull the air filter off and try it again. If your engine runs better, there's your problem right there. Leave your air filter off. It's pointless anyway when there's snow everywhere. It's a dust-free condition. It's not going to hurt anything. It's completely safe to do that. Just don't forget to put the air filter back on again before you start cutting your grass in the springtime. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Share this with your friends. Absolutely get some comments down right underneath this video in the comment section. Tell me what you think of this. Steve out.